My name is Sultana Zakia. I'm majoring in Biomedical Science and I'm graduating in May 2024. My plans after graduation is to transfer to a 4 years college. I recently got accepted from Rowan University and my plan is to go there in fall 2024, majoring in Biological Sciences. Psychology always amazed me and I always wanted to help people with their mental health because usually back in my country, in Bangladesh, people are really ignorant about their mental health. So I wanted to help them with their mental health by being a psychiatrist. Atlantic Cape has given me a lot of opportunities I can't even describe in words. First of all, it helped me building my language skills, getting fluent in English because English is not my first language. All the science classes like biology, chemistry, I would say psychology also really helped me to build my basic in medicine. Being in a leadership position really helped me build my confidence because I have to talk to a lot of people throughout the day and also advocate for other students. That's how I build my confidence because I have that responsibility in me that I have to speak for other students who can't speak for themselves.